look really bad. Like, it's not even funny. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a lot of explaining to do. So I've tried filming this video about 3 times now. 3 times. People have been DMing me talking about how you guys want me to know how I do my makeup nowadays. So I thought it would be a good idea to show you in a video. Also, I'm so sorry I've been gone for so long. I just didn't have any ideas to do anything, and well, here we are. Like I've said, I've tried filming this video 2 times now, and like those 2 times, it wasn't good, you know? Like, you know when you do your makeup and it just doesn't look good, like it's not your day? That happened to me, so hopefully this turns out well. This is me giving you content to watch during quarantine, even though things are kind of getting better now. Not really. This video is going to be very fun to make because I just got new clothes and I think that's pretty fun and fresh. Let's see, what are we doing? What are we doing? I've been wanting to try these on, but I can't because I'm scared of eyelashes. They're very huge and I don't think they match my personality. But you know what? We're going to try them on today for funsies. For funsies? Is it bad that I don't put anything on my face before putting on makeup? I literally forgot I had this from the other video I posted, if you guys don't remember. I've been using this foundation, the Wet n Wild foundation, because I don't know, I just like this one. I'm scared to try other foundations because like every time I would wear foundation out, they would like not stay in for long. And this one is 24 hours and I stand by that. I also broke my foundation during quarantine, so let's kind of ignore that and start blending in. What's one thing that's been happening in my life? I can't take it anymore. I want to go out and I want to do something with my life. I don't want to stay home anymore. So I don't know how you guys are making it. I don't know how you guys are doing all right because I haven't seen one person cry on their Snapchat story this whole 3 months of staying home. I can't do it. I just can't.
I can't take this anymore. I am a crazy.
I really do need friends. If you want to be my friend, please hit me up. Like this video if you can relate. I'm putting a second coat on because I feel like the first coat did not do it for me, so we're doing a second coat. Okay, I think I'm done with my foundation. You know what? Can I just be honest with you guys? The only reason that I'm making this video is because I want other people to think that I'm doing okay on Instagram, but I'm actually not. You never know who's watching. My friends from school can be watching this and they would think that I'm doing okay, but I'm not. So if you're watching this and you're from my school, this is what I'm going through. Oh my god, I forgot to show what I'm using. I'm using the Wet n Wild concealer. This is something that I would not use. I don't use this on a regular day, but since we're broke, we're using this one. Thank you guys for, I don't know. I'm not even, okay, moving on. Can I just talk about how I've been really inspired to edit? Like, I have so much time in my hands that I'm like, I want to edit something. So here I am making a video. Will people watch it? I don't know. But if you do, and you're here, I love you. Hi, thank you. I need a YouTube career. Someone please give me one. Thank you. I know you guys saw me crying over how I don't look like Addison Rae on my story, but that doesn't mean I stay in the hype house. I don't. I do like doing the dances though, but I feel kind of stupid doing them because I don't know how to dance. Fun fact about me, I don't know how to dance. And that's just on me being Hispanic, but not knowing how to dance. I love that for me. I love that. We're putting this CoverGirl powder under my eyelids. I don't know why I like doing this. Don't even ask me. Are you guys tired of me yet? I've been talking for 20 minutes. I need to shut up. I like to use this as my eyebrow thing. Maybelline New York eyebrow dip. Honestly, in my opinion, I think I'm really annoying when I vlog because I'm like, who wants to know what I do? But basically that's what YouTube is about. Everybody wants to know what you're doing with your life, so you might as well start vlogging. Kind of look good now. Okay. Word. Alright, so next I like to do eyeshadow so it doesn't look like I just ruined my eyebrows. We're gonna take this little thingy right here. Oh, we're gonna take this right here. Kind of did work, right? Okay, cool. We're gonna dip it into some brown here. I love using this brown. Alright, it doesn't look that bad. We're gonna take our bronzer and we're gonna go like this. This eyeliner that I saw on TikTok, which I really want to do, so let's go for it. This is the only thing I'm good at, and it's eyeliner.
Literally 2 seconds later, I mess up my eyeliner.
after I just said that I'm really good at eyeliner. I can't.
No way. But it kind of looks good from this angle. Why does it look like that on camera?
So this is the part of the video where I mess everything up. Enjoy.
I think my dad is shaving his head. I'm kind of scared. Turns out the eyeliner didn't work out as I wanted it to, so this is what we're going with for today. For blush, I take this little palette and I use this one, and it kind of blends in really well. So finally, last step is our lashes, and I don't really need to curl them because no one's gonna see my lashes. And we're using this one because I found out yesterday this mascara is way better than the one I was using before. So it's by Tarte. Okay, that's pretty much it. This is a lipstick I love to use because it's really pink and soft, and that's kind of what the look I'm going for today. But then I like to mix it with the Kylie Jenner lipstick that I've had for the longest time. And now we're done with the makeup, I'm gonna go do my hair and I'll be right back. Okay? Yeah, okay, I'm done with my hair. Now, time for an outfit. I'll see you when I find an outfit.
Oh, yeah.
Let me know if you guys like it. I don't know. Second outfit. I honestly don't hate this. It doesn't look bad, but this kind of looks good. I like this. Let's try another one. We'll give it a 7 out of 10. I like this one. This way, I'm kind of going for this one today. Okay, I like this one a lot actually. This is like an 8 out of 10. Is this the person I'm becoming? Am I actually gonna wear this? Is it Instagram worthy? No, so we have to try harder. This is definitely the winner for today. I really like this one. I'm gonna keep this one. It's pretty groovy. This outfit wins. Somehow this top really caught my attention, so this is the final. Comment down below which one was your favorite outfit though. I really want to know. Thank you guys for joining me in this cool journey that I had. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Make sure to turn on the notifications on so you know every time I post, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep this world a healthy and good place, please. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.